Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into Google Sheet with all the information you need from your leads, like the first name, last name, company name, LinkedIn URL, and of course, the verified emails of your leads. And so for that, we need to go on my computer. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I've made a search where I target people who are head of marketing based in the US, and I want a company headcount between 11 to 50 people. Now, on the right part of my screen, you see that I have a bit more than 3K results. And if we check the leads, I have people who are head of marketing in the US, so head of marketing, head of marketing, head of marketing. So that's perfect. And now, once you want to export these people into a Google Sheet, unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And that's why you need to use a third-party tool like Give Me Leads to have a button like this one, Extract Leads. So if you want to export these people, you can go on givemeleads.io, or you just need to click the first link in the description. Then once you are on this page, you click on Start for Free. Here you create your free account. And if you want, you can sign up with Google. And if you want to have this button, Extract Leads, when you are on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you need to install the Give Me Leads Chrome extension. So for that, you click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. So once you've installed the Chrome extension, you will see this button on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And then once you are ready to export your leads, all you need to do is to click on Extract Leads, and then you will be redirected to your Give Me Leads account. Here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say just for this tutorial, 100. Then just below, you can say that you want the emails of these people. And finally, you just need to click on Export Leads. And now you see that my export is currently running. I will just rename my export. So I target people who are head of marketing in the US, and the company headcount is between 11 to 50 people. And now I just need to wait a few minutes. All right, so after 27 seconds, my export is done. And now if I want to see my list of leads in a Google Sheet, I just need to click here and then open in Sheets. So here is my list of leads in a Google Sheet. And if I scroll, you see that I have 100 leads, which is perfect. On top, you see that we have all the information we need. For example, I have the first name, last name, profile picture, the company name, job title, headline, LinkedIn URL, and of course, you have the emails of your lead. Now, when you export your leads with Give Me Leads, we do two things. First, we clean the data. So for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or with rocket emojis in the first name. For example, you don't have Patricia with a rocket emoji at the end. So with this feature, you don't need to waste your time to manually clean the data because we do it for you. And when you want to say hi first name in your LinkedIn message or in your cold email, the first name is well formatted. For example, when you are in Instantly and you want to say hi first name, so when you want to use the variable first name from this column, for example, and if I click on preview, here you see a problem when you don't clean the data, and with Give Me Leads, you only have this, so clean data. Now, the second thing we do is to check that each lead perfectly matches all your filters. So that's why on the left, you see two columns, so matches filters and invalid reason. So when it's like this, it means that the lead perfectly matches all your filters. But if I scroll, you will see that some people are like this, and we have the reason. So here we have wrong job title or wrong company size. And if we check the job title, we have head of performance marketing, head of partner marketing. Here we have chief link builder, founder, head of sales, And basically, these people are not head of marketing. So basically, with this feature, you don't need to check for each lead if they perfectly match your filters, because we do it for you. And what you can do is to decide to remove the people who do not perfectly match your filters, or what you can do is to decide to keep some leads if they are still relevant for you. So in my case, what I want to do is to only reach out to people who are head of marketing. So I will remove all these people, so like this. And now I know that I only reach out to people who are head of marketing. So if I make a search for head of marketing, you see that we have head of marketing everywhere. So it means that these people are head of marketing. Now that we have this clean list of leads in our Google Sheet, it's time to upload it in your favorite outreach tool. So if you want to do that, you just need to go here in File, then Download, and then you click here on Download CSV, and you will be able to upload your CSV file directly in your favorite outreach tool. Now with some tool, you can directly upload your Google Sheet. For example, with Instantly, you can do that. So let's go here on Instantly in campaigns. So if you want to create a campaign, you click here on Add New. Then we need to add some leads. And here you see that we have 4 options, but here we have Use Google Sheets. So I click on it, and now you see that I need to give a Google Sheet link. So if you want to find your Google Sheet link, very easy. You go here and you click on Share, and then you click on Copy Link. And now we go back on Instantly. I paste, import emails, and now we need to map the columns that we have here with the Instantly variables. So make sure that you have at least first name with first name and the email. So email, you see here, it's not good. Do not import, and email with email like this. And finally, we click on Upload All. Now the next step is to write the sequence. So for that, I can say hi first name. And if I want to check first name, I go here in Preview. And here I have hi Corinne or hi Brett, for example. And you see that we don't have any emojis. And now if I go here in Leads, I have the list of the people that have exported from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So with this process, you can export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into a Google Sheet like this one. And at the end, you can upload this Google Sheet into your favorite outreach tool. Now, if you want to have this button from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can try for free Give Me Leads. And so for that, all you need to do is to click the first link in the description. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use Instantly.ai to send your first cold email campaign, you just need to click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.